Here is a video about Spectrum TV versus Dish Network. And Dish Network has a poorly reception at the time, and sometimes they do like unexpected price hikes once in a while, and with sometimes channel losses to your favorite channels. Like this Dish Network took out METV channel 247, and also on the flip side, Spectrum TV has METV channel 192, and with Spectrum TV, you get really good, lot of good channels to watch, and also it is crazy fast, and also Spectrum Internet has crazy fast internet of 300 megabits per second, and the upload speed is 20 megabits per second. And with the download speed on Frontier is only 8 megabits per second, and the upload speed is 0.95. And the one that has crazy fast and furious Wi-Fi ever is these guys right here. And also Spectrum is my favorite company ever, because you can watch TV as long as you want, as you can, without any interruptions from the heavy rain. With Dish Network, you will get that, unless you put the Never Wet on the Dish Network antenna. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this video. And you too, John Bow from Spectrum. And also, and that's it. Oh, P.S. Use ACP benefit to avoid unexpected price hikes for your own favorite internet provider.